5 minutes remaining time. Number 1, block and foul.
Video yan. Wala pang kuha to eh.
La Cuesta. Good job from Mr. Hassan. Wala. Nawala number 34. Tibog, Liwagon, lumipad. Good for 2 by Liwagon. Lumilipad si Mr. Liwagon. Ano? Warning for penalty, United Doctors. Pinili. Hassan. Hassan. Wala pa rin. Hassan, wala block. Substitution. Tupat, out. King, in. Okay, nawala. Substitution, what number? Pinili. Out.
Buzzer, time out. Time out na, buzzer.
Time out. Yellow Warriors. Remaining time 4 minutes and 1 second.
Mag-init ka, Captain. Mainit na sa likod.
Score 31-23.
So on the second quarter. Mukhang mga puyat lagi ang mga Pilipino ngayon. Puro puyat.
Oy!
Gising.
Okay, back to the ballgame.
Binabati ko ang ating mga bisita. Marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Score 31-23.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 1 second.
Budjogan, lumilipad. Good for 2 by Budjogan. Talagang matitindi itong Jeddah Warriors. 5 lang, walang palitan. Matitibay.
King. Hassan. Hassan again, side step. Loose ball by Nobleza. Okay, reserve. Number 18, pass to Budjogan. Pass to Liwagon. Liwagon. Mukhang magaganda ang gising. Mukhang maganda ang gising ng Jeddah Warriors. Lilima ang kalawan. Mukhang hindi kayo nag-happenings kagabi ah. Mabuti pa yata yung lilima. La Cuesta. Hassan. Foul. Black and foul by number